Champaign Surplus is a third-generation, family-owned, independent specialty outdoor business. We started in 1947 as an appliance shop, and over the years has morphed from the appliance shop to now lifestyle outdoor specialty as well, and 2 brick-and-mortar stores and a large internet presence as well. In 2018, we really had the convergence of 2 major issues hit our business. The first was our brick-and-mortar footprint was too big. It just became necessary for us to change the way that we present our products in a brick and mortar space. At the same time, we have been experiencing tremendous growth in our internet business that just needed a larger facility that could handle a higher volume of capacity, knowing what was coming down the pipe for late 2018. So in 9 months, we liquidated our old store, we built out 2 new brick and mortar stores, built out a warehouse, hired 25 people, redid the entire backbone of the RuggedOutdoors.com website so that could handle the traffic that we were seeing, and really just put a team together that embraced all this change and put it all forward in literally 9 months.
We have an amazing team of our top-level strategic team, and so that core group of people was quite involved in the planning and the different iterations of things. We try to set the overall tone and direction for things, and then we're very collaborative with the team about what they're thinking and how would they like to see things, and we try to make group decisions and then empower people to just go out and make things happen.
What we realized after all the changes that we made last year is that retail is going to continue to change. Consumer preferences are going to continue to change faster than we can expect. And one of the things that we've done is we've reset our mind to be, we will always have to change. That we won't be able to now, oh, we've got this brick and mortar set in place and we have our new distribution set in place. Great, we're set for 5 years. I mean, we're already looking at what are the capital expenditures we have to make this year. That we'll never get out of that mode of evolving.
Obviously, the business has had a place in my heart always. I grew up playing hide and go seek in the different warehouses and working at the store in high school and working at Christmas break. And when we came back, it was really interesting to learn it truly from like the business side of not just being like a high schooler working for my parents. It was definitely emotionally tough on me when we liquidated the old store. There was it was tinged with some emotional nostalgia, but creating these new environments in this store, it's kind of my dream store, and I was able to finally kind of make that vision I had come to reality, and it's really, really gratifying.